Hello and welcome to another episode of Train Spotting.
We're at Kings Sutton. That was a service from Reading to Manchester Piccadilly.
22022. So today you're going to be seeing services by Chiltern Railways,
Cross country, GWR, and maybe some freight
as well. So nice little crane station. Let's see what shall turn up. Jump straight into it. And the next train to pass by
is a service from Manchester Piccadilly to Reading.
Have you got the numbers? Because aren't they on?
The numbers right here. So up front should be 221133. And 127 at the rear, 221127 at the rear, forming a service from Manchester Piccadilly to Reading. I can smell the gorgeous smell.
So there goes that one. Okay, we have a service bound for Birmingham Moor Street.
165. I was worried. No, it's not.
168 108.
Forming service from London Paddington Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street.
So off goes that one, off to Birmingham. Okay, we have a Freightliner 66 going from Southampton to Lawley Street. Oh no, is it 560? It's 560. Oh, hello. 168 as well. 215 joining the club with a great Doppler. That's going to London from Birmingham Moor Street.
Do you say? Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, Moor Street, right?
No, it might be Snow Hill. Hang on. No, Snow Hill. Snow Hill.
Oh, sorry. Snow Hill to London Marylebone.
Okay, and now arriving is a service from Banbury to Didcot Parkway. Very quaint. I do like it. Nice list of two car.
Big headlight glare as normal.
165 120. Nice way from the driver there, thank you very much. And we'll catch you on departure.
Okay, and now departing.
It's a service from Banbury to Didcot Parkway.
And if you didn't hear it, Banbury to Didcot Parkway.
From Banbury to Didcot Parkway.
Got to speak loud when 165s are around.
Nice little rhyme you made there.
I didn't even notice that. Clagging away like a monster. Don't know why I use that, because I don't think monsters clag, but yeah, sure.
Passengers are reminded to keep hold.
Okay, the next train arriving is about service to Birmingham Snow Hill from London Marylebone.
With the birds tweeting, we have 168 111. No longer carrying the thank you NHS things. If I'm honest, I don't really know why they got rid of them. But yeah, okay. That's busy. And a battered looking 325.
I wonder why.
Is that your stalker? Oh, lol.
We always got my name.
her when she departs. And now departing, 168 111 and 325. Very busy.
That's off to Birmingham Snow Hill from London Marylebone.
Look, we've got the station cat. Very cute.
She's a good cat. Aww. You want food? I will give you food soon. Cat-friendly foods.
Hey.
Mr. Cat, there's a 68 coming, so I suggest you to stand back.
Yeah. Stand back, cat. There's a 68.
Okay, we've got a service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone.
68 and Mark 3s.
Lovely service.
82 304. Woohoo! 68 015. That is cracking.
And there's a little cat over there.
Big cats and a little cat that's very scared of the 68 is coming back out.
Don't worry.
Brilliant. Thank you for the tone.
Cracking. Okay, there's a Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly train. Cat's gone into hiding. 220015, and at the rear is 221134, forming a service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly.
Lovely. So there goes that one.
Okay, we've got a service from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. Lovely tow for the driver here. 009 and 22128. Forming a service from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth.
Nice tone from the driver there, thank you very much.
Yeah,
so there goes that one, off to Bournemouth. Okay.
We've got a service from London Marylebone to Birmingham.
It's the whistling 168.
002, forming a service to Birmingham Snow Hill. With a little tone from the driver there, thank you very much.
I think there was a late one for us as well, thank you very much. Okay, and our big friend Station Cat is still chilling with us.
Yep.
But it's starting to get cold and dark. Dark doesn't matter, but cold, I might not, and dark. The zooming, I might not use the zoom in the dark because all you can see is light, so it's not actually that helpful.
It looked kind of cool.
Yeah, it does look cool, but yeah, if I zoom in, it might get a bit shaky. More shaky than normal, even though we're still getting used to the camera, because it's pretty cold, and my hands are a little bit cold.
And yes, the cat.
And yes, the cat is still here, and yes, the lights have turned on.
Okay, and the next train arriving is a service from Birmingham
To Snow Hill,
to London Marylebone.
Marylebone.
Lovely tow for the driver there, thank you very much.
Once.
Oh, lovely. From Snow Hill to London Marylebone.
Off goes that one. And the next train to pass by is going to be a GBRF Class 66 715 from Scunthorpe Trent TC to Eastleigh East Yard.
That wasn't even rehearsed, and
No.
you actually got it correct.
I know it runs so often.
Just the beaming headlights.
It's a bit dark now.
Lovely tow for the driver there.
Thorpe Trent TC to East Leeds Yard.
Yep.
Thank you for the tone, driver.
Very much appreciated.
Okay. There goes 66846 on, I presume, what would be a Hinksey to Bescott, another tone,
Yep.
like loco movement. Thank you for the tone.
Caught us off guard.
Caught us off guard. Didn't see that coming. I think it's probably Hinksey to Bescott, so there goes that one.
Okay, we've got a service from Didcot Parkway to Banbury.
165, is it 120 again?
I believe so.
I bet it won't be, just because
131.
131, there you go, it's not.
Oh no, it's 120, sorry. It's 120.
It is 120.
I think you recognise that.
Quite busy. Going to the end. Catch her when she departs. Okay, and now departing 165 120. And we've been told that the Chiltern 165, well, we think it's a 165, might be a 168, that's due to come, is actually going to be a platform alteration and come on this platform too. Sorry, from platform 2 to platform 1. And now it's saying, I don't know.
Okay.
I think the dot matrix
British
thing.
Railways at its finest.
I think the dot matrix has confused itself, but yeah, okay, right, so there goes that one. Nice tone. Okay, we've got a Chiltern Railways service from Banbury to London Marylebone. Ed's favourite train, wink wink nudge nudge. Ed absolutely hates these trains.
I absolutely hate these trains. You don't know how much I hate these trains.
And it's going to be a 166. It's a 165, I think. And the platform altercation changed back to platform 2 in the end, so
No surprise.
British Railway at its finest. 165037.
Nice way from the driver there, thank you very much.
Looking a lot more empty than the GWR service or previous stoppers.
I bet there's no one. Okay, there's
There is a few people on it, there's someone getting off. Catch her when she departs. And now departing.
the service from Banbury to Marylebone. 165037. Coming service from Banbury to London Marylebone.
So there goes that one off into the darkness.
If Jack can see me. Yeah. I like the beaming lights.
So off goes that one on its hour journey down to London.
It's actually, okay, and now service from Reading to Manchester Piccadilly. I couldn't get the numbers.
We saw them earlier, I'm sure, because that was the 10-car voyages from Reading to Manchester.
Apologies. I just can't read the numbers at night.
Yeah, fair
I need
enough.
to eat carrots.
So yeah, need to eat more carrots.
Yeah.
So there goes that one. Okay, we have a service to Southampton Central. Lovely headline.
Lovely tow for the driver. Service from Manchester Piccadilly to Southampton Central. Well, Ed's trying to get the numbers. I apologise. It's 221135 at the front and 220006 at the rear.
Okay, we've got a Freightliner Class 66 going from Southampton to Crewe Buzz Hall.
Yep.
What do we have emerging out of the darkness?
Lovely tow for the driver there. Thank you very much. Southampton
to Crewbaz Hall. Great tone from the driver there.
Thank you very much.
Brilliant four-tone, so thank you very much.
Amazing. Okay, we've got a service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone.
Oh, it's the whistling one again.
Yes. Lovely tone from the driver there, thank you very much. 001! I love 001, that's calling the service.
Did we see that earlier? I thought we
No,
saw 002,
002,
yeah. And 005 we've seen. So another whistling 168.
From a service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone.
So we have a cat, the lovely station cat, disobeying the rules. He's over the yellow line, very naughty. Aren't you?
Oh, he's come back. Because he likes me.
He likes both of us. He keeps like brushing against us. Very nice.
He's gone, no.
Okay.
And our final train of the day is a London Marylebone to...
Birmingham Moor Street, I think it is Moor Street. Service. One 168-106, giving it the beans with a great tone. Thank you very much.
That's forming a service from London Marylebone
to Birmingham Moor Street. So that will finish our evening here at Kings Sutton.
Since 2.
Yeah, transitioning from
afternoon to the evening. We hope you
and
enjoyed
to darkness.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And from us here at Kings Sutton, great footage actually.
Yeah, amazing.
Great station as well. Station. And our favourite little guy, hello. And me and Ed.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.